The Mobile Workshop Container by Carl Friedrichs serves the maintenance of commercial vehicles and construction machinery, especially where there is no workshop nearby or whenever a multitude of equipment and machines need to be serviced. In these cases, it's usually easier when the workshop comes to you and not the other way around. The workshop container is securely fastened with twist locks on a pickup truck, like here on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 2035 4x4, but also vehicles from other manufacturers such as MAN, Iveco, Volvo, or Scania can be used. Thus, the workshop container can be transported by different trucks with a container locking mechanism. After the workshop container is set down on site, the truck is able to be used for other transports. Of course, the workshop can also be used on the truck. A set of steps makes access possible. The container is divided into a machine room and a workshop room. In the workshop area, there is a mobile toolbox and an oil drain pan for outdoor work, as well as a mounted workbench. There are 4 100-liter tanks for motor oil, used oil, cooling water, and fresh water that can be removed through hatches on the side. Furthermore, there are 2 300-liter tanks for axle and antifreeze protection built in. At the rear, there are 7 automatic hose reels that are connected to the tanks and serve for the convenient filling of machines. In the machine room, a diesel-powered generator with 15 kilovolt amperes serves as a power source for 380 and 230 volts. A compressor with a 500-liter air tank provides up to 10 bar of working pressure. It supplies the tanks as well as the workshop container with compressed air. In addition, there is a pressure washer and the fuse box for the electrics. All hatches and doors can be locked from the inside. The roof is accessible by steps on the right rear door.